They may have ruffled feathers overseas, but the Tibetan flag flying high outside of Charlottesville's City Hall today. Good afternoon. I'm Sharon Gregory.
And I'm Shane Ettinger. The flag that sparked some international controversy in Charlottesville is hanging once again this morning from City Hall. Today is Tibetan National Uprising Day. NBC 29's Joanna Shrewsbury joins us now live in downtown Charlottesville. Joanna, what's happened so far?
Well, Shane, just within the hour, a ceremony wrapped up behind City Hall to mark the day, and now marchers are making their way to the rotunda for a 12:30 ceremony as well. Charlottesville has 66 Tibetans living in the city. Most of them were at the ceremony this morning to mark Tibetan National Uprising Day. They held flags and listened to several speakers, some of them speaking in their native language. Many of them said this is a bittersweet day, one to celebrate and mourn.
It gives a big, big happiness, at the same time sad, because this is not recognized by the world.
Many city leaders also came to this ceremony this morning. It's the first year that Charlottesville has been involved with this day. Mayor Norris says they'd just never been asked before, but the city council was unanimously on board with it. Right now, the supporters of Free Tibet are making their way to the rotunda. They'll have a ceremony there at noon, or at 12:30. And tonight on your news at 6, we'll tell you why walking is such an important part of this day for them.
All right.